Hey guys, welcome back to the shop. On the dome. Today we're gonna paint this portion of the WRX. We're gonna plasti dip it. Got some peeling of the clear coat in the front here. So along here, the clear coat's peeling. I'm just gonna take a Scotch-Brite pad and get off the loose edges of it so it doesn't peel underneath the plasti dip. We're gonna tape it off. We're going to tape off this line here. We're going to tape off this line here. Right here. As a break point between the body and where the plasti dip will be. We're going to remove these, the drip rail fillers, I guess you call them. Pull them off. And then we're going to pull the front fenders off because I have new ones coming anyway. Make it a lot easier to tape off the front. And then yeah, we're going to go from there. So we'll get it all ready. I got the wood stove going. We're heating up the garage, get nice and warm in here so the paint will stick good. So while that's heating up, we're going to mask this off and stuff and get it all ready. So let me pull those front fenders and then we'll work on masking off the rest. Alright, so the front fenders are held on with a bunch of 10mm bolts on the top. There's a couple in the door jamb, and then there's a couple, there's one or two down here. Got to remove the inner fender well. I'm probably going to have to remove the mud flaps too because the rally arms go through the fender. So let's get this one off, we'll get that one off, and then we'll start taping. Like I said, I got new ones coming, so this makes it a lot easier to mask off this whole area. So I like to keep these little bins around, get them at Harbor Freight, a couple bucks. It's good to keep all your stuff organized so you can, don't lose any of your bolts, you know where everything came from. That's it. That whole fender is free. So we'll pop the light out. Put this on the side. And we'll remove the fender. Be careful when you're lifting it off. Be careful by the door. And on the bottom. And that's it. Fender removed. So you can see in here now, there's a, I'm going to get the brace. They make an aftermarket brace that goes in here. I want to pop that in. Like I said, getting the fender up just makes it easier to tape off this corner. I can close the whole hood and tape off that, and tape the door off from that side. I'm going to go ahead and remove the other side, and we'll come back and we'll start masking off the rest of the car. Alright, so to tape this off, I'm going to use just the regular blue painter's tape, and I got some of these from, you can actually get them on Amazon, the tape with the plastic built into it so you can drape it over. We'll use this for like the doors and for the roof and stuff like that. Right now, first we're going to tape off the windshield here. So this molding has a little bit of a gap in it. So what we're going to do is take some tape, we're going to slide it underneath this rubber molding, and then we're going to get it to stick. And we're going to pull it back a little bit to create a little bit of a gap there. So we have a place with a good line. Nice thick spot right in there, so we can mask it off with the Alright, so we got the car all masked off. But there's some places we need to paint or expose. We're going to prep these now. I'm just going to rub them lightly with a Scotch-Brite pad just to get the surface a little rough. Paint stick a little better, and to get some of this soft, this chipped up clear coat off. Let me just pop this antenna out of here. Place it, so I'm just going to cut the cable, pull it out of the way. Alright, so we're going to scuff this with a Scotch-Brite pad. Just going to get some gloves. We'll get a Scotch-Brite pad, we'll get the stuff, wipe it down, get it ready. Turn that fan off. I got the paint over here where it's a little bit warmer. Ready? I just ordered a from Dip Your Car. Came with the spray thing, and this is the Dip Your Ride. Put these up. Warmer over here. I don't think we're gonna need all 4 cans, and then I got a glossifier for it also. We'll see how much we actually need. I think probably 2, a can per side, but we'll see. We'll see when we get there. Alright, so I used the can on each side pretty much. I came back on this side and touched up a couple spots over here where there's a little thin. Looks good now. I had a little bit of a run on the other side, but like I said, it's very forgiving. I had a big run going across here. I added a little more product to it, and it actually leveled itself out. It says 4 hours between coats. I'm going to let this dry, and then I'm going to come back and put on the glossifier. We'll see how it comes out. So I'll be back in a little bit. Hey guys, welcome back to the garage. I'm the Dome. We're gonna pull the masking off this today. I'm not really thrilled with the way it came out. I don't like the way the color, it's kind of a little more gray than black. And I think I really messed up on this body line back here, where I put the vinyl tape. I think I should have peeled it when it was wet between coats, so this way the plastidip didn't stick to the tape, because I think when I peel this off, the plastidip's going to come with it. So this may have been a exercise in futility, and I may have to now either redo this, or I may just polish this whole thing and see if we can make it look good. But let me pull the masking off and let's see what it looks like. I got some spray on the window and there's a piece of tape that moves, but that's not a big deal because it comes off the window pretty easy and it's already peeling. So let's see. Yep. So there's the line where the plastidip peeled. Looks like we'll be peeling the plastidip off and going back and polishing this panel. But it was an exercise. We tried it. It didn't come out how I wanted. Like I said, I wasn't real thrilled with the color. It's got like a little bit of a grayish haze to it. That might have been from the glossifier, but it is what it is. So I'm going to peel this off. Then I'm going to make a next video. Will be me polishing out and wet sanding. Probably I'm going to have to probably wet sand and polish out the scratches I put in with the Scotch-Brite pad to make this stuff stick better, and see what I can do with the clear coat that's chipping over here. So we're gonna see what we can do. But hey, you live and learn. I gave it a shot. Subscribe to the channel so you can see the rest of this, the next video. I got the Brembo stuff in, so we'll be putting the brakes on. That'll be probably the video after I figure out what I'm gonna do with this, and then we'll put the interior back together and we're gonna get this thing ready. Hit that subscribe button, leave a comment, hit the like button, follow me on Instagram. The Dome is here and at Dome Detailing. And thanks for watching, guys. Take care. Just want to show you guys how, if you apply the plastidip correctly, when you go to take it off, it really does come off pretty easily. And it's cold in here right now. I didn't even warm the garage up, so. But pretty much peels right off. So, all right, to be continued.